mean, it's not bad for.
So.
Like I said, I bought off Craigslist for $5,000.
It looks
I
okay.
gave Mr. Elwood $5,000. But no, the other guy bought off from Mr. Elwood because he bought like 3
Well,
times. He didn't want to buy
you know,
it.
the hitch thing in front here looks like it's solid.
It is all of it.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't feel any of that sagging underfoot that you get some places.
Yep, that one right there you did, and you could. I mean, that right there was pure solid.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
Man.
Well, I appreciate this.
Yes,
I'll send all the emails to my brother and tell him to get back at you.
Yeah, whatever. You can get somebody get over me, get over me, whatever.
Okay.
If any change, I'll let you know.
Alrighty, thank you. Okay, this is on Redbird Lane. What's the house number here?
2502.
2502?
Redbird Lane.
Yeah, I knew it was Redbird Lane.
2502.
Okay, thanks. Okay, so Redbird Lane goes right up to Elwood Circle. So it's kind of a short walk to my house, but it takes me 5 minutes easily the way I walk. Okay, there's a small bit of a culvert to either side of the driveway. But it's a pretty good width for a driveway. And then here's Redbird Lane that I'm walking on now because I'm out of the driveway. There's the street sign over there. And down the street there are the mailboxes. I go there every day unless Jean gets the mail for me. And I'm looking west, and the sun is starting to go down already. You can't actually see the sunset from the property here. You can see it from the road if you go out to the road. The fire department's right over there, which is cool, you know, because if you got a fire, they are handy. Actually, they'll come over and put smoke alarms in for you. The house I was looking at certainly needs some issues resolved. The floor seems stable. It has a stove and a fridge. The stove is a glass top electric stove. I did not look inside of the fridge. There's somebody still living there at the moment. And the front porch needs another railing because it's only got a railing on the one side. I didn't really get to examine the back porch. They've got the washing machine on it. The back door is currently being held shut by the washing machine because the latch needs to be replaced. It seemed like it's a real simple fix that probably I could do if I have a screwdriver in my hand. So I'm still walking down. This is Elwood Circle, by the way. And I'm almost home. I'm walking past the other vacant house that I believe still has all these notes tacked to the window or the door. Oh no, the notes are gone. So maybe you'll be hearing from these people too. I left notes on there yesterday. I have never yet seen the inside, but I must say the outside of this place looks better than the outside of the other place I just came from. And the porches are solid. But I can't tell you anything more than that because I've never been inside. I'm going to keep praying about these locations. Now, Redbird Lane is a nice name for an address. And we could possibly end up having one family member living on each part of Elwood's property, all 3 of his roads. He's got Elwood Circle with me. He's got Blue Jay Lane with Jean, which you can see Jean's house back there, his roommate's home, and that's his car. And here's my house here. I'm coming up to it. See how slow I am? I told you, I'll get around to it in a minute. And I will need to shut this video off before I go in the door because I left Sarah Jane running loose. And I'll make sure she doesn't head out the door as soon as she hears me opening it, because she's tiny and fast. She's real fast. I've never had her outside without a leash on her. And when she is on a leash, let me tell you, she does run circles around my feet. So I did not bring her. And I would have had too many hands full to be able to hold the camera. So anyway, here's my home as we finally get to the end of my lovely parade of homes in Elwood's property. Oh, goodness. Okay. I'm home. I'm going to watch my footing because I've got some tree roots here. So I'm signing off. See you later.